Welcome back to the How To channel. Today, I've got the most exciting video for you, learning how to make money with ChatGPT. Everyone's been hearing about it, so what I want you to do is open up ChatGPT, open.ai, okay, and type in, how do you make money using ChatGPT? Simple as that, right? Everybody's thinking, how can I utilize this? Just ask it. It's clever enough to tell you, all right? You just type in, how do you make money using ChatGPT? Give it a few seconds, and it will start telling you. There are several ways to make money using ChatGPT. Other language models like it. Some include developing selling chatbots and virtual assistants, okay? Offering a service to generate automated content, building and selling language-based app tool or utilizing capabilities of ChatGPT, offering language-based consulting services such as natural language processing, NLP, developing a language model. You can see, guys, what I'm trying to get at here. There is multiple ways to make money using ChatGPT. It's super easy, guys. All you got to do is ask it. It's one of the cleverest AIs I've ever seen. Now, if you want to expand on that, give me 2 more ideas you can ask it, and it will. Okay, this AI is ridiculous, guys. If you are not using ChatGPT right now in your life, you are not utilizing your time well enough. So get on that right now and follow, and subscribe to this channel for more how-to incredible videos.